did you meet Harley? What year?
Probably about 3 or 4 years ago.
Which would be?
Haley, 2006.
2006. That was 5 years ago.
My radiator melted and my head gasket blew and my engine needed to be almost rebuilt, and Harley took my car and fixed it and helped me out with working out payments, and he has been a wonderful person to have as a friend and a mechanic. And I would recommend him to anyone.
So he did a lot for you.
Yes.
That is wonderful. That is all we have to say. Goodbye.
Harley's the best. Go down to Harley's today. My mom has been coming here to Harley's for years to get her car fixed. Oh, and hi.
Congratulations, Harley.
On your shop. Hope you're very, very successful. Say good job, Harley.
Good job, Harley. Yeah, to the bowl. I'm champion and target duck. Hang into the
Root for the angels. If they don't win, it's a shame. But it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Yay! Say bye-bye.
What's wrong with your car, buddy? Not running good?
Check under
No?
the hood.
You want me to look under the hood? Everything looks all right under here. What's going on over here? Are you all right? I know what it is. It's a loose nut behind the wheel. Right here, it's a loose nut behind the wheel. Oh. Okay, you're all fixed up. See the cashier.
Thank you, Harley, for keeping Mommy's car running.